Hello, Kabritanya, and here with us the dynamic duo, the organizer of this very successful Barrio Fiesta in Crew, Pauline and Gary. Do you want to say something for the viewers about your successful Barrio Fiesta?
Maraming salamat po mga kababayan for showing up and for supporting our third Barrio Fiesta, for coming over, for buying food from our food vendors, and for just having fun with us. Thank you so much for work with me, the team, my husband, our community, our volunteers. Thank you so much. People came out and supported us, and that's what matters.
And I think people are always looking forward to this Barrio Fiesta, Pauline and Gary.
We get so many people asking about it. When's it going to be? Can we come? Store holders, they can't wait for the following year. It's great.
What we really like in this Barrio Fiesta, because it's the community, alam niyo po, napakadaming non-Filipinos.
Yes. So this is why we are so proud, because we have been awarded Best Community for Diversity, Inclusion, and Equality. And because we are open for everyone, actually our performers, we have non-Filipino performers as well. And the buyers of lechon mostly are non-Filipino.
Non-Filipinos.
Yeah.
The buyers of Halo Halo, they are looking forward to it. So it's really amazing how you can see them in the audience.
And Pauline, I can say is that this is really a family-oriented event, because even the young people, the children are here because of the many choices of entertainment that you offer.
Yeah, so
That's
we try to have a variety of performers. So we have performer that can cater for adults and children, and also we have activities. If you see the
Yeah.
slides, we have a
Yeah,
lot
we've
of
got the face
activities for the
painting
children.
Candy floss.
You have face painting,
Yeah.
there's a candy thing, there's a reading, and then at the back behind us, actually, there are lots of, how do you call that? Yeah, playground, and then may mga rides sila.
Yeah.
By the way, Pauline, any last message to all the people who supported you this year?
Just look forward to our next Barrio Fiesta. We will announce the date, and we will see you soon. Thank you so much.
Okay, thank you, Gary and Pauline. Of course, this portion is brought to you by the GCash Overseas.
Okay, thank you, GCash.
Thank you, GCash, Miss Jen Ashley.